The Border Highway Connector, a proposed new roadway corridor in southern New Mexico connecting Santa Teresa and Sunland Park. The project will connect to New Mexico 136 Pete Domenici Highway, approximately 2 miles north of the Santa Teresa San Jeronimo port of entry. From New Mexico 136, the new roadway will proceed eastward across what is currently vacant ground on top of the mesa above Sunland Park. For most of its length, the alignment follows the existing electric transmission lines, which will minimize impacts to the existing land because this area has already been disturbed by previous construction activities. The roadway will add an important link to the regional transportation network that will provide a much-needed alternate route for traffic. It will improve safety through reducing emergency response times, and it will enhance access, mobility, and regional connectivity. Santa Teresa and Sunland Park are an important hub for the trade between Mexico and the United States, and an area of focus for economic development for the state of New Mexico. The addition of this new roadway that parallels the border will aid in the distribution of traffic for border crossings to provide better connectivity to the adjacent ports of entry. The Border Highway Connector will include a bridge for the new roadway to cross over the Union Pacific Railroad within the village of Sunland Park. As population, employment, manufacturing, and freight increases, a reliable transportation network is needed. The addition of this regional connector will expand the transportation infrastructure to support expected growth and regional economic development opportunities. The Border Highway will also attract traffic off of the currently congested routes in the transportation network and help mitigate congestion to improve daily travel times. The new arterial roadway will include multimodal facilities to accommodate pedestrian, bicycle, and non-motorized traffic from the surrounding communities and give them opportunities for using active transportation modes to get to their destinations. Leaders at both the local and state levels agree that when this project is complete, it will have benefits to the local communities, and there will also be a strong possibility for economic opportunities to follow, such as new industry, commercial centers, and housing developments. The Border Highway Connector, being developed in partnership by the New Mexico Border Authority and the New Mexico Department of Transportation.